How to find contacts on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to find contacts on Instagram. Without further ado, let's get started. Before we head on straight to the Instagram application, let's first visit the App Store over here, or if you have an Android, just open up your Play Store and let's search for Instagram. Tap on Instagram. So what we're going to do from here is to check if our Instagram application is up to date. For example, here it shows an update button, so that means that my Instagram is currently outdated and I have to update it by clicking on this update button. So just do that if you see an update button as well. However, if that says open, that means that your Instagram is currently updated. Assuming that I am now done updating my Instagram app, let's just go to open our Instagram application. And to find contacts, we should be at our profile page. So to do that, if you're from any other page, just click on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner and you should be at your profile page. So from here, just click on this 3-bar line at the top right corner and let's click on settings. And let's click on account. And among these options, you should see contact syncing. So this is under sensitive content control. So just click on that. And this is where you can find an option to connect your contacts. So to help people connect on Instagram, you can choose to have your contacts periodically synced and stored on Instagram servers. You can also pick which contacts to follow, and you can also disconnect anytime to stop the syncing with your contacts. So to connect your contacts, just click on this toggle button right here to have it turn blue, and your contacts will immediately be connected. So to find your contacts, once you have connected your contacts on your Instagram account, just go back to your profile page and click on this little plus and person icon beside the edit profile. And this should be the Discover People tab. So just click on See All over here. And potentially you should see your contacts suggested over here by Instagram. So that is how you can basically find contacts on Instagram. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.